In this video, we'll demonstrate how to prevent your PlayStation 5 from automatically turning on with the TV. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to stop your PS5 from synchronizing with your TV's power settings, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into it. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select System. Under System, choose HDMI. Then select Enable HDMI Device Link. Here you have two options to prevent automatic syncing. A. Disable Enable HDMI Device Link entirely to stop any automatic synchronization. B. Alternatively, you can disable the individual settings underneath. Enable One Touch Play. Allows connected devices to turn on when your PS5 powers on. Enable Power Off Link. Puts your PS5 in rest mode when a connected device turns off. By turning off these settings, you can prevent your PS5 from syncing automatically with your TV's power functions. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative tutorials. Your support motivates us to create additional content. For further tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.